So look at what we got today. We finally got my 80% arms Gen 3 easy jig, and then I got a 80% lower from a different company. I got this from 5D Tactical. But let's do an unboxing of the easy jig. Look at that, beautiful. All right, let's just open it up. All right, it's definitely hefty. Probably weighs 3 pounds or so. So let's. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Directions. Nice. I'm gonna need this for my router. I've got the Makita RTO 701C. I'm gonna have to look at the directions on how to put this together, honestly. I'm just the Generation 3 hardware. This is for the shop vac attachment. This is for the pilot hole. And this is the thing that goes on the router, I'm pretty sure. All right, now let's open up. I didn't really look at the box, but here's the box. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Let's open up the lower. I can feel. I also got the buffer spring, so I can feel that in there. Yep. Okay. Yep. So I got a mil spec. Buffer tube, this ring here, this plate, and then the buffer, and then this should be a carbine length. I hope. I hope it's a carbine length. I don't need another rifle length. All right, and here's the lower from 5D Tactical. But I got raw, blemished. It doesn't really look very blemished to me, I'll be honest. That's good. The rear takedown is already completed. This is sweet. This is sweet. Give me a little sticker. Nice. Did 80% Arms give me a sticker? I don't think they did. That's okay. All right. I'm gonna get putting this together. I'm gonna get this put together, and I'm gonna start tackling this guy right here. That's freaking sweet. Hey, I was wrong. 80% Arms did give me a sticker. It was in the instruction. They put it in here. So they did give me a sticker. That's cool. All right. Quick update. I did finish milling out that 80% lower from 5D Tactical using the 80% Arms Gen 3 easy jig. Yeesh. Don't want to do that. And it was awesome. It worked great. I'm all packed up pretty much. I've got some the drill bits in here, and I've got some little hardware in this box, and there's my router. But I will show you how the 80% lower looks. So this is the 80% lower from 5D our 5D tactical, whatever. Milled out again with the 80% arms. Jig, Gen 3 easy jig. I don't have a trigger guard because I pieced together this from other lower receivers that I had already. So I took again, I don't have the trigger guard for it. Whatever, I don't care. Don't have the bolt release either. Whatever, it is what it is. I'll have to get a lower parts kit. As you see, these 3 loads do have bolt catches, bolt releases. But yeah, I put the magazine release in, and it works. So we'll check it out. I'll open it up in a minute too. But safe, right? Safe, no fire. So and then go to semi. Weapon's already clear. I already cleared it before. Semi. Cool. Cool, and then we'll charge it. We'll put it back on safe. And I might as well show you that it does feed or does chamber round. So I'll take out this PMag loaded, right? So again, doing this with one hand. All right, cool. Again, we already saw there was nothing in the chamber. Okay, I'm gonna drop the magazine out. Okay, so magazine release works, and then we'll see it eject. Look at that, great. So yeah, that's the freaking 80% arms easy jig is, I'd give it 5 out of 5 stars. It's amazing. It's great. And then the 5D tactical 80% lower was sweet. Oh yeah, let's pop her open. Okay. So there we are. That's the whole area, the fire control group area that we milled out. And obviously we drilled these pins here, or excuse me, these holes for these pins here. And then the safety selector hole. So 1, 2, 3, those 3 holes, the pilot hole, and then milled that out. Looks just like, you know, your other already completed stripped lower receivers that you build. Like that. So it's good stuff. It is good stuff. The reason this tape is on there is just because I've got a 22 of the CMMG 22 long rifle pull carry group in there, and I don't have the charging handle. I don't have a charging handle with it because I've got the charging handle. I've only got 2 charging handles, and both of them are, one's in this upper and the other one is in this upper.